Hello, this is a short video tutorial on how you can create your ebook using Canva. I already have a written down step-by-step process for you in the Bootcamp private group, but it's just to point out certain things that might be easier to understand with a video. So here we have the first page. So what you can do here, if you don't want to use this, you can keep this as your book cover page, right? You can just edit this to have your title. Once you click on it, you can see edit. So you can now type, for example, how to create your first. So this could be my title, my book cover. I'll just edit this properly. Things I don't want, I remove it, delete. By, is that my name? No. By who? Who wrote the book? Simply edit. And that's it. Any other thing I don't want, I delete it. If I don't want this picture, I can delete it or I can replace it with my own image. So you just click on the image, right? You see replace down here. See replace, click on replace, pick my own picture. I'll just pick a random picture. Let me just pick. If I was doing this properly, of course, I'll pick a professional looking picture, right? So I could have this replaced there if I want my picture or my book cover. But what if I don't want to use this? What if I don't want to create my book cover on Canva? Simply this page, replace the entire page with what? Let's see. Let me use a flyer that I have. That means I already have a book cover I want to use. I could just delete all of this, right? And have this as my book cover. Delete every other thing that I don't want there. Let's go to the next page. This is content. You can see that the line is not arranged properly. So I could just put a line down, arrange it how I want. You can move things around. Then you have your introduction, all of that. This is your table of content. If you're okay with this font, good for you. If you don't want this font size, you can pick a font size that you like, Do you want to use Open Sans, Poppins? I already gave dimensions you can use. You can use Poppins for it. Then you have your body. Probably you want to use Montserrat. Anyone you want to use it like that. So that's your document font. So once you have all of that, let's skip over. I'm just telling you, okay, I'm just showing you the different things you can fix here. Then you want to change the color. See the color. I can change it to black or the normal color or white. So you can fix that. Then let's go to page 3. This is your about the author part. So you can put your picture like I showed you in the first part. Then edit your write-up. Edit your font, the size. Okay, I didn't show you how to edit the size, right? So when you do that, this is your font size. You can write whatever number you use. Like I already gave you dimensions before. So you pick the font size. You pick the color of your font. Do you want black? Do you want to change the color to white, black? So just understand that the color of your background determines the color of your font also. You want a font color that would make your write-ups legible. You can't pick white with this color of background. We will not be able to read what you wrote. So take note of that. Then we move over to the next one, introduction, then chapter 1. From introduction, you can now pick your fonts here. And let's say I like this font, or let's use chapter 1, for example. And this is my font. I don't want this font. I want Montserrat, right? Montserrat. Let me pick the font also, Montserrat. And I want what? Montserrat. But for when it comes to this bold part, I want fair display, right? And I want it to, I have a format here. I want it to be italics, right? That's my choice, right? And then I bring it down a little, so it's, what do? I click on this whole page like this, and then I go over to more, and then I click on duplicate page. Have you seen? So here and here are the same size, so I can now edit the write-up. Just here, highlight it. I'll just click on what? Tell me paste. If I paste to be whatever I'd copied from my previous document, if I was keeping my manuscript on Word document or my file folder or in my notes folder, I'll just copy and paste what I want to copy, a paragraph I want to paste here, and that's good. Do you understand? Very easy to use. Then your page number, you could just write text and then page numbers. Did you see? Page numbers have been added to all pages. So once you're done, what do? You go over to this arrow facing up and you click on download. Then you see this part. Click on either PDF standard or PDF print. Then select your pages that you want to download, and then you click on download, and then your document is ready.